Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with WeChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we'll be doing origami parrot model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this parrot model, we'll need a square piece of paper. Can be of any color, any size. Needs to be a square piece of paper. So first, let's fold from the horizontal axis from this point to this point. This. Unfold it back. Rotate your paper 90 degrees and then again you fold using the horizontal axis from edge to edge. This is really simple model. It looks very pretty. You get a plus sign creases over here. Now pick any diagonal axis and then turn your page and fold it like this. Unfold it and this is how it looks. Now you just need to fold it along the creases like this. It forms a square. Press the corners edges properly. So now you'll see this is how you keep it, and you have two flaps on this side and two flaps on this side. So you fold these two flaps like this. This is a thick piece of paper which I'm using. It's not a origami paper. It's not an origami paper. It's a chart paper, and hence I need to press it hardly so that the creases remain and the folds are intact. But if you use an origami paper, then the folds are easily done. They can be easily done. So we do it on the opposite side as well, like this. Now you have this bottom triangle. Just fold it like this and open it back. This is for the crease. And now you open these two flaps and then you have this one layer. Open it like this and then close this in this fashion. This is how it looks. Similarly, we do it on the opposite side. Just open these two flaps, open this layer and then fold it back inwards. You'll have these creases along which are helpful while folding it back like this. Let me just arrange this edge to edge. Yeah. This is how it looks. Now we have the shape here. Now we need to cut it along this portion, but then we need to cut. For that, we open this entire thing and then fold along one of the diagonal axes like this, and then we just cut it like this. Like this. There is a crease over here. Till this crease you need to cut it, and then we fold all the remaining part back as it is. You have all the creases ready, so it won't take much time. You just need to fold it across all the creases. So this is how it looks. If you see, this is what we cut basically. So don't cut it from here itself, otherwise there may be a chances that this portion may get cut, and hence we open entirely and then we cut. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now you put all the flaps down like this and keep only one flap up like this. Now you have these two triangles, so you pick one and fold it like this. Use your thumb and make a small square like this. Similarly, you do it on this side. There is an opening here, so you just need to use your thumb and fold it like this. This is how it looks. Now we need to repeat the same steps which we did just few moments before. That we need to fold it like this here. This will be difficult, but press it tightly so that the folds remain intact like this, and then we open this flap. And then we close these flaps inwards. This is what we just did exactly. Here you need to be careful, properly fold it. This goes like this, and yeah, oops. Yeah, this is how it goes. This is how it looks. Fold it like this, and yeah, if you can see, this is how it forms. Similarly, we repeat the same on this side. Have these two folds. Like this. And then you open this inner flap. And then form a rhombus type structure over here like this, and then fold it back. So this is how it looks finally, and then you fold it like this. Now you fold this entire thing like this. Press it properly and tightly. Now you have these two flaps over here. This is one flap, this is another flap. So you need to fold it like this from this corner till the center, like this. Similarly, you do it on this side. This is the tail of the parrot. This is how it looks. Now you open this entire thing like this. Now you need to fold these along this edge, not this portion but only this flap, like this. this edge should match basically. Similarly, we do it on this side. This is how we fold and the edges match. Press it tightly and then fold it back. Really sorry for the disturbance. There is a construction work going on. So this is how it looks finally. Now we have this crease over here. So we fold this in this fashion, like this. And then there is this one opening, open it and then fold it like this. Similarly, we repeat on this other side. So you have this flap, you fold it like this, open it back, hold one flap and then fold it like this. This is how it looks. Now it's slightly difficult here, but you need to hold this, open it like this and then fold it backwards. So press it like this here. Here you need to press it and then fold it back like this. This is how it looks. Let me show it to you again on this side. So watch it carefully. Open this. Entire part opens up like this, the wing, and then press it from behind and then fold it back. It's really easy. You just need to do it carefully. Like this. Press it like this and then let me just do it again. Yeah, press it like this. This goes in here backwards and then you press it like this. Watch it again. Let me reopen it. Yeah, so it was like this. First you have a fold here, then you open it back. You have this one opening and then you have it like this. So now you have this one flap open, you hold it, open this entire thing and then push it inwards like this and then fold it back again, and then this thing, it goes inside and then fold it back. This is how it looks. You can align these slightly, it's fine. Now you have this neck, so you use your thumb and fold it this much, approximately this much, leaving slight part like this, and then you fold this beak or the mouth part like this, fold and then open it back, fold it like this. This area you can do it anyhow, I mean it's all your wish. I'm doing it this way. This is how it looks. It doesn't look good, so let's put it like this. I hope it's clear. Yeah, you can put it like this, and then this thing you need to fold it like this. Oops, let me just fold it back. See, this is how it looks. And the final touch, you have these legs. So fold it like this first. Both the legs, you fold it downwards. Press it properly, tightly. You can keep it like this, or this is how I like it. Open it back and fold it from the center like this. So you had it initially on one side, you open this back and then fold it the center like this and then close it back. Press it tightly. And this is the final parrot model. It hooks like this and it's really very simple and good looking. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal, thank you so much, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Take care guys.